Okay, good morning. I am Data Producer. So we'll be doing mechanical technology on focusing on welding. Under welding, we'll be doing the joining methods. The topic will be joining methods. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to do the basic calculations and then size of drills and keyway sizes. The drill sizes for screw cutting, the width, thickness of keyways, and also you should be able to know the application of hand threading with the aid of the tape and die set, the semi-permanent joining methods, and the keyway identification, fitting and uses of parallel keys, taper keys, gib head keys, and woodruff keys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. We'll start with the drill size calculations. All right, so when you want to tap into a hole, the drill size must be smaller than the thread's major diameter. We have a formula for that. The formula which is, in case you'll be looking for the drill size, you'll use and you're giving the major diameter and the pitch. So you will use the formula which is drill size is equal to major diameter. Let me write that down. All right, so that you don't, what did I do? So that you don't forget it. Okay. Right, yeah, let's write it down. The formula is drill size is equal to major diameter. So your drill size, which is represented by D, is equals to major diameter. Okay, we could say MD minus P. Okay, the D represent the drill size, the MD represents the major diameter, and the P represent the pitch. Right, so let's get into it. Let's say, for example, you want to tap an M8 multiplied by 125 thread. What are you gonna do? What you're gonna do is you're gonna say the drill size. This is the what? Okay, so what are we given here? We are not given D, but we are given the major diameter. We are given it, which is 8 millimeters. We are also given the pitch, which is 1,25. Well, and we're looking for the drill size, right? So let us substitute our values in the equation. We're going to say the drill size is equal to, what is the MD? 8 minus 1,25. 1,25, which is equals to, the drill size will be equal to 8 minus 1,25 is equal to 6,75. 6,75. Right. Okay, so yeah, so what do you have to use? You have to use a 6,75 millimeters drill bit to tap an M8 thread. Okay, so let's say if you want to practice, right, but let's say you don't have like a 0,75 meter thread, you could use 0,8 meter thread if it's not available a 6,75 meter thread, right? Okay, so we have then we also have the keyway size calculations. We also have the keyway size calculations. Let's okay, let me give you an example on the keyway size calculations, right? Oh, there's a table. Unfortunately, I can't. Let me check if I can insert the table right here. Let me try to insert it. Oh, I can insert it. All right. Oh, so for the keyway size calculations, you have the basic. Hey, this is not working.